Fresh read on the housing market. Mortgage applications out just minutes ago. Want to get over to Diana Olick, who has the latest numbers. Diana.
Andrew, total mortgage application volume increased just over 15% last week compared with the previous week. That, according to the Mortgage Bankers Association's seasonally adjusted index. But that was driven entirely by refinancing, because after rising for 2 weeks, mortgage rates dropped to the lowest level ever on the MBA survey. The average rate on the 30-year fixed with conforming loan balances plunged to 3.47% from 3.82% for loans with a 20% down payment, all thanks to the Fed stepping in and buying mortgage-backed bonds. And with that, refinance applications spiked 26% for the week and were 168% higher than the same week 1 year ago. But rock-bottom rates meant very little to home buyers. Mortgage applications to purchase a home fell 11% for the week and were 24% lower than the same week 1 year ago. Today, of course, is the first of the month when a lot of people pay their mortgages. But with thousands of Americans either out of work or losing income, mortgage servicers are being barraged with calls for help. All borrowers with government-backed loans, that's Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, the FHA, and the VA, are entitled to loan forbearance under the Economic Recovery Plan. They can miss payments for up to 6 months, and then those payments would be tacked on to the end of the loan. Now, those borrowers make up just over 62% of the mortgage market. At Caliber Home Loans, an independent lender which services 750,000 of those mortgages, the phones have been ringing off the hook.
We have set up IVR, which is the integrated voice response, which basically allows customers to self-service. On Sunday itself, we had about 8,000 IVR requests that were where people were able to get their own forbearance online.
Sanjiv Das was head of Citibank Mortgage during the subprime crisis, and he said that while the mortgage market today is much more healthy, the impact of the coronavirus could be even worse than subprime. Back to you guys.
Hey, Diana, just given how much concern and how much tumult there's been in the mortgage market overall, what does that mean for anybody who's trying to refinance with these low rates or anything else that's happening?
Well, look, rates are low, and it's a good way to lower that monthly payment, especially for people who might have lost some income. You can still apply for a mortgage refinance, and they are now moving things online very slowly. Some states you still can't sign or notarize, but we've talked to title companies and notaries, et cetera, and they are moving the entire process online. Also, the FHFA, which is Fannie, Freddie, et cetera, they have relaxed some of the standards like the in-home appraisal part of it and face-to-face notarization so that you can get those refinances done more easily now, but it will probably be a long wait.